Okay, alright guys. Alright, so I've been having some issue with my Tesla. Okay, take a look at over here. Alright, so my Tesla, sometime it came out with this cabin camera not working or disabled message, and you can see I have some problem with it. If you go to camera preview and you see how it's nothing, but if I press main, if I go to main, I can see it. This I can see it, narrow, left, pretty much everything except when I hit the cabin, it's nothing. Now the cabin is actually this camera right here. See that? That is that camera right there. Okay. All right. Okay. So anyway, yeah. So I suspect that it actually never works. So today my job is to replace it. This camera right here, I just bought a new one on eBay. It's about $100. So I'm gonna replace that thing right here. Okay. All right. Let's see if I can do it. Okay. First thing to do is to take this thing off. Okay. Alright. Got this out. God damn. This thing quite a little bit of force. Take it out. Oh. Alright. There we go. This piece right here. Whew. That takes a lot of force. Okay, that, all right, now to remove this, I need to turn it to the side. There you go. Yep. All right, so take the connector out. There you go. Oh. All right. Now, next should be this one. All right. There you go. And that is the camera I'm trying to replace. Okay. It's a clip. This clip here, all right, this piece have to pull up, and then you can press it and then pull it out. Okay, there you go. This is the old one, all right, and now black one. Now this is the new one. New one look like here. New one is white. Okay, all right. So let me take a picture real quick of the 1, 2, 3. Okay, flip it over. I think they look the same, huh? What do you think? Yeah, maybe 1, 2, 3. Okay. All right, now let's put it back in. So let me see here, just in case the new one don't work. We always go back to the old one. All right, first thing first, plug it back in. Oh, at least that's a good sign. This thing actually go in. Second is to put it in here, okay, like this. This thing has to go in. Make sure the camera, the camera doesn't even show up. Okay, there you go. Now it's in. All right, I need to get my screw right here. Yeah. This screw are very small, don't lose it. I think this should be good. Tight enough. The camera is there. Now let's put everything back on. All right, so 4 clips, okay? This one has to go in, but first has to make sure it gets in here first. Ooh. There you go. There you go, there you go. Now it's in. Ah, woo. Okay, next is to connect this. But before we do it, let me plug this in first. Oh. There you go. It's now in. Okay, so in order to check this, you have to slide up. Okay, like this, and then jump. There you go. Oh, that's not too bad. Okay. Now, last thing, hide the cable. Last thing we need to do is install this. And this go in here, basically just to hold it in place. Nothing more. There you go. It's like a hook. Okay, now put it back in. Light up. It's actually light up the one at the top here first, right? This two, and then now should be able to pop in. Yes. Woo! All right. Hi. Okay. All right. All right. Now, moment of truth. So install it, right? The replace with the new one. Now let's see if it actually works. Let's go to service. Go to camera preview. And let's see. Oh, it works. All right. That's awesome. Okay. So now if it doesn't work, what you can do is you can go to the service mode and try to reset. Let me show you how to reset. Okay, so go touch this, go to software, and you will see this, right? And with the mileage and everything, and all you have to do is just, you see that dual motor thing right there? Okay, just press and hold, and you see how it flicker a little bit. Okay, type service. Apparently that's the password. Hit OK, and yes, enable, and it's gonna go into this. And when I get into there, probably gonna turn off the AC and everything. Anyway, driver, camera. So everything is showing green. That means it's good. If not, what you can do is you can actually reset, right? Press the reset driver access system, and it basically said you have to hold the right turn signal in the active position. Press down the brake for 8 seconds. Okay, so let me show you. So press down the brake. Press the brake down. Hold this to the right, and then hold it for 8 seconds. See that? Okay, now it's good. So reset and run. Routine pass. Hit close. And it should take a little bit, a minute to reset. Should all come on green if everything turns out good. Perfect. You see that? Everything is green. This one is gonna take a little up. There you go. And that's it. That's you can go to camera preview. Just to confirm. There you go. Oh, go back to cabin. And there you go. It's working. Woohoo! All right. Close this. To exit out of the service mode, just press and hold. And there you go. And there you have it. Yeah. So it's been almost 2 years, or a year and a half for sure, that I have that error. And all this time I feel like the the cabin camera was never actually working. I probably bought a lemon, but regardless, it's an easy fix. It's about $100 new. Right here, tiny little thing, tiny little camera, and that's all it takes basically. Yeah, get it and then replace it. Like I say, I did it in 15 to 30 minutes, you know. But yeah, if I do it again, I'll probably definitely will do it in 15 minutes. Okay, all right, thank you.